Yeah, hello. Yeah, just a quick video. I posted recently a little short where I showed this. It's just the ground floor of a building. It got quite a few views, so I thought I'll do a proper video on it because I've printed the rest of it. I've printed some more. Added that. Gives it another floor. And that gives it a roof, and it's so big I can hardly get the thing in. As you can see, it's quite large. I'll do some wider angle shots of these in a minute. That's one of them. There's also this one, which is just building 4. It's just a house, again with an upstairs and some little mounting lugs. They all sit together. It's rather nice. A roof. So another one. I'm printing these for a game that's I've got on pre-order. Guards of Traitor's Toil, I think it is. And here's what one looks like with some paint on it. I did this a year or two ago, actually. It's from the same range. I was printed in black rather than printed in grey. This one's obviously had some paint added to it. It's just a little cottage, just a little house. They're designed for tabletop gaming. If I find an orc, this is one of Games Workshop's Lord of the Rings models, obviously not painted, but yes, that's sort of what you get. So yeah, let's have a closer look at some of them. Yeah, so back in handheld mode now. This is what we've got. What have I got that might work for scale next to this? Find something quick and simple. Oh yeah, that'll do. Here we are with a 00 scale model railway wagon. So as you can see, it's a decent size. These are for 28mm gaming figures. Put that back over there out of the way. This one was painted, to be honest, it was primed black. It's just a dry brush grey. Floor inside painted brown. Dry brush with a slightly lighter brown. Tops, terracotta, wash, dry brush. Fairly straightforward. It's model gaming terrain. You sort of get a bit like that. So pick one of these up. A slightly larger one like that that can go with it, and you can see you can fairly quickly build up a small little village. So this one again, the inside obviously it needs painting. This is a merchant house, I think. It's got some stairs, not particularly practical, but there we go. Lovely little sculpts. The range is called, I think, Ulvheim. It's on Thingiverse, if anybody's interested. I have another one printing. This is on an Ender 3 V2. And this has been printing for 25 hours currently, and that's as far as it's got. It says there's another 59.6 hours left. And that will print basically just that bit. I'm not speeding them up. It will print them quicker, but if I print it this way, the corners turn out nice. Otherwise, it sort of balloons a bit. But yeah, quick little video on a little side project I've got going. I'm sort of printing these in the background because. As you can see, that's going, and that's going to be running quite a while, and a little SD card down there. If you've not got one of these 3D printers, basically you load a spool of this stuff, PLA I think it's called. One of these spools, kilogram of it, 15-16 quid I think I've paid on Amazon. And one of those spools will do basically 2 of those buildings, or one of those buildings and a part of that, and then obviously you have to stop. I mean, I use the printer mostly for this sort of thing, just brackets for holding electronics boards. Yes, more of those there. Yeah, I just thought I'd show these. I mean, they need painting, so then they're going to get sprayed black and painted to look remarkably like that. And then when the game turns up, I will be building and painting the figures. So there's obviously I've got this little lot up here. There's a tree stump. There's a It's a fell beast with a ring wraith on the back of it in the background. A load more tree stumps. Resin 3D printed buildings. This is something else. This is for smaller scale games. So there's a ruined tower block. There's a suspicious hole in the side of it. So yeah, it's all good stuff. But I thought I'd share this. So I'll put a link in the description to where the files for this came from if anyone's interested. Obviously not model railway related, but the beauty of these things is you could load one of these up, you could scale it to the appropriate size for a 20mm scale figure. And so these 28mm scale figures we've currently got, and then fancy an old style stone cottage in the back of your railway somewhere? Yeah, you can do that. That's a huge range. Anyway, just thought I'd show that, just if anybody's interested. There we go. I'll catch you in the next railway related video. Cheers.